Hey everybody, this is Coach Brenda here coming to you. I have a new recipe. I got this new recipe from one of my coaches and I'm just going to share it with you. What this is a pumpkin smoothie. So for those of you that know me, you know that I love anything pumpkin. So I'm going to do a pumpkin smoothie, but I'm going to add a little twist to it of my own ideas, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do here, I have a cup of almond milk. Now I like smoothie bowls instead of smoothie, just drinking a smoothie. So I'm going to have some almond milk here, 1 cup. I have chia seeds, so I'm going to do a tablespoon of chia, which is good for cholesterol. And I'm going to add 1 organic banana. And this is a small one. And organic. Make sure you have organic. One day I tried a banana and it was not organic. And I could not taste a bit of banana flavor at all. So I always get the organic. Make sure, and the organic usually has 5 numbers instead of just the 4. So 1 organic banana. Now, my coach said to do a frozen banana, but I didn't. Well, I do have some in there, but I'm going to go ahead and use this because I got it out. Well, oh my God, I splashed here. That's that's part of doing a video. Okay, so then I have some pumpkin pie spice. I'm going to add that to it. And you can add as much as you want, as much or as little as you want. And I like pumpkin pie spice. I'm going to add a little protein powder. This is a scoop of protein powder. I'm going to add that to it. And this is by Live Good. It's a complete plant-based protein. And one other thing, now she didn't add this, but I'm going to add it, is some peanut butter. So I'm going to do a teaspoon of peanut butter. Adding that to it. I love peanut butter. Okay, and after that, we have our pumpkin puree, which I forgot to open up. So here we go, and it's 3/4 cup of pumpkin, 100% pure pumpkin. Scooper, and this is it's kind of thick. So we're gonna do, I just got 1/4 of a cup, so that's 1. Oh, this is gonna be good. I'm just doing it by 3/4 of a cup. That's 2. 1 more. Pumpkin. That should do it. That's 3/4. All right, so here we go. We got all our ingredients in here, and I'll be back to show you finished product. Okay, so here we have the finished product, our pumpkin smoothie bowl. Now I'm going to put it in the freezer and let it freeze a little bit. I sprinkled some almonds on the side, and on this side I'm going to sprinkle, I'm going to add a little whipped cream. You have it. So a pumpkin smoothie bowl. Thank you, Coach Bess, for the recipe.